What up, what up, what up, Unbreakable Kicks Army, man. Look, man, I've been holding on to these shoes over here for a massive unboxing for a minute. But before we check those out, I gotta let y'all know I do got a couple early reviews up. I do got the Air Jordan 5 Moonlight, aka the Oreos. This video is up, so make sure you check these out at your own leisure. Today I did an early review on these Air Jordan 11 Low, i.e. the bread colorway. So I got both of these up, and I still got two more early reviews that I have yet to do for you guys. So make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell. I know a lot of people been saying, Break, I haven't been getting the notifications. Break, I haven't been getting a notification. So if you are subscribed, hit the notification bell, turn it off, then turn it back on, then hit the refresh button so that everything can refresh and you can start receiving the notifications. Also dropped the SneakerCon Chicago video. I'm still looking for an Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott High OG fragments. Now, I was offered a pair for a good price yesterday. I might take it, but something deep down in this teddy bear of a heart that I got is telling me that them joints are going to come back out. Not even come back out. Those joints are going to release on Snkrs app. It's going to be the shock her around the world. And then price of them is going to eventually go down. I don't see them going down any less than $2,500. But I feel like they will do somewhat of like the trophy rooms. Trophy rooms was extra high, extremely high. And then they started to go down. And of course, it's less pairs of trophy rooms than it is the Travis Frags. Both of them are fire Air Jordan 1s, but I still feel like because that hype is still massive, the heart of the hype is still beating fast. Once that slows down, then the price of it is going to go down as well. Y'all see all these Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott lows just come out of nowhere. Some you can trust, some you can't trust. But I just feel like the OG highs, we are going to see them before the year is out. Y'all clicked on this video like, Break, what the heck are you about to unbox? I literally haven't had time to unbox any of these sneakers, so I'm just like, let me just round them all up and show the army at once. Now, this box right here is from a trade that I did on Trade Block. Some of these are trades, some of these are packages from Nike that I haven't even seen yet, haven't even opened up. I don't even remember because Nike has been so slow with shipping out stuff. Now, the majority of the time that I do a trade on Trade Block, it's never for me really to keep a shoe. Most of the trades I do is for members of the army who actually want a shoe that I got, but I'm probably just gonna hold on to the shoe that they are actually giving me. So for the first sneaker that's unboxed, it is a pair of Nike Dunk Low Retro. Colorway is Varsity Maize Midnight Navy. This is a pair of the Michigan Dunk Low. So I ended up trading a pair of Air Jordan 6 Carmine size 12 dead stock for this 10.5 in the Michigan Dunk. Of course, we know that Dunks is the wave right now, especially like the collegiate colorways and the Dunks. I will hold on to these until the value continues to go up, and then I can trade these for something, you know, that I would actually want, maybe keep. I know I'm heard about them Air Jordan 4 metallics. I had the purple pair, I had the red pair. I sold them earlier this year, and I'm looking for them joints back. So, you know, once these go up in value, I probably could be able to do a trade for those. Next up is a package I got from my boy Dean Harris. Dean has been buying merch for me since I started, bro. So I wound up doing a trade. I traded a pair of my Racer Blue 3s. If you need a size 11 in the Racer Blue 3s, I got you for retail. Just cover your shipment. And he winded up giving me a shoe that I've been looking for. Again, size 11 Racer Blue 3s. I got like 1 or 2 pairs left. Hit me up if you want them. I got you for retail. Now, again, I traded that Racer Blue for a pair of Air Jordan 13 Starfishes. Now, I seen these on the Gap foot at the mall, and I'm like, bro, I should have not sold these. These are clean. And I know the whole Starfish Shadow backboard vibe it's still somewhat alive, but the 13s, again, whenever they had like an OG mock-up kind of colorway, because these remind me of like the Cherry 13s, I'm always a sucker for them. And I hate that I sold my pair. So again, I traded a pair of Racer Blue 3 size 11 for this size 10.5 in the Starfish 13s. Now to give an update on the IG post that I made with the member of the army sending me the video saying that Nike's gonna use clear tape Some members are still saying that they have been receiving the Just Steal It tape. So with the clear tape, you can see through it if they all the way closed. Some people's even saying they can cut through the clear tape and put another layer over it because it's clear. So I don't know, y'all. I just feel like Nike does not have the solution for this just yet. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Get this one open. And it's a Nike box. These are some Nike Dunk High SE Light Bone. What the freak are these? Oh, okay, these are little joints that they had on the Nike app when they dropped like the when they dropped the UNC dunks, and then they had like another dunk that they dropped, and then I hit a pair of these in the men and grade school. The grade school pair already came. The men pair is just now getting here a couple days ago. Next up, another package from Trade Block, and see what we got. We got the Nike Dunk High Retro colorway white game royal total orange, size 9.5. Again, Trade Block. Oh, okay. Again, forgot about these joints. Wind up getting a size 9.5 in the Kentucky Dunk High. Now the Dunk Highs don't really do as well as the Dunk Lows, but eventually I can see these joints going up in price. For these, I believe I traded a size 11 women's in the Seafoam 1. So I would say as of right now, this trade was about even, but I feel like the Dunk Highs are going to go up more over the years over the Seafoam 1s. Last trade from Trade Block is right here. Go ahead and check it out. April Reed's Air Jordan 5 colorway is white, University Red, black. Trade Block. All right. Y'all remember these? Air Jordan 5 white cements. These joints are fire to me. I don't know why I like these so much. I have a size 10.5. I ended up trading the Air Jordan 2 that came in a Converse pack for this size 11 right here. So I feel like that was a good trade. These low-key are sleepers, and these low-key have gone up in price over the years. So I do got a 10.5, but I did trade for the size 11 right here. Last two pickups right here. These are the Air Jordan 6 Bordeaux. Got these for retail off East Bay. Now, glad that I did wind up picking these up, man. I feel like these eventually will be sleepers. The men pairs was not as available as the grade school pairs. I do have grade school size 3.5 through 6. Anybody need grade school Bordeaux for retail? I got you. Hit me up, cover the shipping, and you can get them. But here's the men's size 10.5 Bordeaux 6. Of course, y'all, I say the best for last. This is, okay, because I've been holding out on this one right here, Army. And the main reason I'm going to show y'all this today, because I was holding these in the stash, and I was going to cash out when I get the other ones and show y'all all of them. But since my boy Big E cashed in his money in the bank and is the new WWE champion, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all. I've been holding on to these, y'all, for about, I want to say, a month and a half. The Air Jordan 5 Michigan PE. So that means I have all but 3 of the collegiate PEs that I need to complete my set. I'm currently missing the Marquette 1s, the Marquette 5s, and I'm missing the Georgetown 4s. Other than that, I have all of the collegiate PEs. And again, y'all know UCLA is coming next year, so I want to make sure that I went ahead and knocked out all of the previous ones. These came out holiday 20. Again, this is the Air Jordan 5 Retro NCAA alternate Michigan, and we got a size 11.5. So of course, y'all know these are my personal pair. And the Michigan smacks so hard, y'all, because of this vibrant yellow. Vibrant yellow, you got your hits of your navy back there on the Nike Air. You got your M right there on the tongue. These may honestly be up there as one of the best of the Air Jordan 5 collegiate PEs that they dropped. So again, got the Michigan 5, UNC 5, Georgetown 5, Oklahoma 5, Florida 5s, and again, I'm just mentioning the Marquette 5, the Marquette 1s, and the Georgetown 4s. And I got the complete NCAA collection. So Army, y'all let me know how I deal with my pickups. Let me know the best trade that I did. Hit me up on Trade Block if you're interested in trade. They got messaging. I know I got to get to some of y'all messages. Some of y'all trades are good. Some of y'all trades it is what it is. And other than that, you got your boy Unbreakable. You got the Unbreakable Vault. Unbreakable Army stands strong like always, and like the merch says, hug your loved ones. And we out.